So we have to offer pap smears and prostate screening because we believe that early detection is the best prevention in terms of cancer. And of course, a lot of Jamaican men, they shy away from doing prostate screening annually or in their everyday lives. So we try to show them that, look, there's another option. You know, we don't have to do the digital. We have the blood test, which is the PSA, the prostate specific antigen test, which is a regular blood test.
Williams. I'm a former scholarship recipient from the Jamaica Energy Partners. I decided to assist here today at the health fair hosted by Jamaica Energy Partners at the Old Harbour Bay Primary School because Jamaica Energy Partners is a company I have a lot of love and respect for, as I strongly believe that they are contributing to nation development in a big way. So they are always carrying out charity events and just contributing to nation development.
How vital was Jamaica Energy Partners' contributions to your growth in becoming a medical doctor?
Very vital because I had a lot of financial difficulties going through medical school. As you know, it's very expensive, and I applied for the scholarship and I received it for more than 1 year. So that assisted me a great deal going through medical school. So it was a big help. And also, the company is like a family, so what they would do is they would also allow us to do summer jobs at their company. So that was also another help as it relates to finances while going through medical school.
What will you be doing today at the health center?
Okay, so today we'll be seeing patients, so medicals, so school medicals, for example, if there are any school medicals, regular medical checkups, giving advice about healthy lifestyle, diet, anything you'd basically go to the doctor to do.
And is it your first year volunteering?
No, this is not my first year volunteering here. This is my third time volunteering.
So why make it a point of duty to come
3 times? Because I want to help out. They assisted me a lot going through school, so whenever I get the chance to, because as you know, it depends on where we are working at the time and if we're allowed to leave, but whenever I can, I will come and help. I will always come and help, assist JEP, because they assisted me so much going through school.
So today we're celebrating 9 years of consistent partnership with the community by way of ensuring that each person, at least 200 persons, would receive health and medical care totally free of cost. In addition to that, we're also providing non-medical services such as financial literacy. VMBS is here, NIS is here, statutory investment is here as well. We also have to recognize the teachers of the Old Harbour Bay Primary School as well as the Blackwood Gardens Basic School and Prophecy Basic School. They're out here in their numbers today to ensure that we have a seamless process. You know, everybody's here and get the service that they need in the shortest possible time. So in addition to that, a lot of fun. Celia is here. She's providing the crowd with a lot of entertainment. And of course, we have tons of giveaways for the patrons here today. So the residents of Old Harbour Bay look forward to Jamaica Energy Partners Group hosting their health and dental care every year. It's a major event for the community. Of course, you know that even though medical care may be a little bit affordable, dental care is quite expensive, right? Especially extractions. And of course, we're more than happy, we're delighted to be able to provide this service for them every year. So we do it twice a year actually. And of course, it's something that we're really proud of. So oral health is very important. And as I mentioned before, the socio-economic conditions, especially within the small fishing division, as Old Harbour Bay, is quite critical. The intervention is necessary. Oral health, in terms of sensitization, is very important. And of course, we continue to provide education through these services annually.
Hi, my name is Barbara Grant. I'm an executive agent with Sagicor Live, the Employee Benefits Division. Jamaica Energy Partner, Jam Energy, is one of my clients, and each year we partner with them to do this wellness fair for the communities that they're involved with. So we are here at Old Harbour Bay with a team. We continue to do this. They're one of our major clients. We partner with them for group life, group health, pensions, and personal accidents. So it was a no-brainer for us to be here supporting as we always do.
I hear you offer pap smear and prostate test,
screening.
but most health fair they don't offer that. So why?
Great. So we have to offer pap smears and prostate screening because we believe that early detection is the best prevention in terms of cancer. And of course, a lot of Jamaican men, they shy away from doing prostate screening annually or in their everyday lives. So we try to show them that, look, there's another option. You know, we don't have to do the digital. We have the blood test, which is the PSA, the prostate-specific antigen test, which is a regular blood test, right? And we're partnered with biomedical lab to provide that screening for the men of Old Harbour Bay. And of course, the pap smear would have been along the same line. Cervical cancer is very rampant in Jamaica. And of course, we're playing our part to ensure that we detect early as possible in order to have diagnosis and whatever treatment that is necessary to save lives.
I'm Juliet Gang from the Registrar General's Department. I'm the Communications Officer. We're here today at Old Harbour Bay Primary School offering our services to the general public. The public will be able to apply for birth, death, marriage certificates. We will also be able to facilitate record updating activities such as correction of error, late entry of name, addition of father's particular for those persons who need to have their father's name to their birth certificate. We know it's registration time and parents are encouraged to come out and get the birth certificate, which is a new updated birth certificate for their children to get them registered in school. For those persons who are not aware of Operation Birthright, who have never seen a birth certificate, you're not sure if you have ever had one before, we encourage you to visit our booth so we can speak to you to find out if you will be qualified for the Operation Birthright that the government has initiated. The Operation Birthright really is for persons who are earning below $37,000 and is not presently under any other government program.
Talk about the genealogy search. How does that work?
Okay, for our genealogy research, which was recently branded to outer many, persons can actually go into the RGD and apply. It's actually $1,500 per hour for it, and you have to pay a minimum of 3 hours in order to get the genealogy research.
How far back do you go?
We go as far as back to the 1600.
So our partners, I must say thank you so much. DS Prime Health for providing our medical services, Sagicor providing our screening services absolutely free. I must also recognize the doctors at the Spanish Town Hospital. Thank you so much, Dr. Wright James. You are a pleasure to work with. To the Public Health Department, Dr. Prosper Chen, thank you so much for providing the free health services in terms of HIV. Thank you so much. In terms of our non-medical services, I want to big up RGD, NIS, the Public Health Department for coming to do the certifications in cosmetology and barbering services. Thank you so much. I also want to big up the Old Harbour Bay Primary School and the Old Harbour Bay CDA for coming on board. The Blackwood Gardens Basic School, Prophecy Basic School, thank you so very much, guys. It could not have been possible without you. And of course, to our many scholarship recipients, a few of those who are working here today as doctors, thank you so much as well. Our scholarship recipients now who are volunteering as part of our partnership and agreement in order to become a scholarship recipient of Jamaica Energy Partners, I want to say thank you so much for supporting us year after year. And of course, my CSR team, big up yourself. Thank you so much.